British Gas pay-ag top-up failures often stem from connectivity issues, such as weak Wi-Fi or rural broadband problems, payment processing errors like declined cards or insufficient funds, app glitches including outdated versions or cache issues, and account verification problems with mismatched details. These failures can disrupt service, leaving users without gas or electricity. Understanding these causes is the first step to fixing the problem. Ensure your smart meter and in-home display are powered on and within Wi-Fi range. A weak signal can prevent top-up credits from loading. Reset the meter by pressing and holding the display button for 5 seconds to reestablish the connection. A stable connection is crucial for successful top-ups. Download the latest British Gas app version 4.2 from your app store. Outdated apps often contain bugs that cause top-up failures. Clear the app's cache and restart your device to ensure the app runs smoothly. Enable notifications and location services for proper functionality. Disable VPNs that may block server access. Confirm your card expiry date, CVV, and billing address match your British Gas account details. Incorrect payment information will cause top-ups to fail. If the app is failing, use the British Gas website or call 0333 202 9802 for assisted top-up. For vouchers, carefully scratch off the code and enter it via the app or phone. These alternative methods can bypass app-related issues and ensure you receive your credit. If your meter remains unresponsive after trying the previous steps, contact British Gas support immediately for a remote reset. They can perform this remotely to restore functionality without you needing to do anything risky. For PayYG users, if a remote reset isn't sufficient, British Gas will schedule a free engineer visit to inspect and fix the meter on site. Important: never attempt to tamper with or open the meter yourself, as this can be dangerous and may void your service. Always rely on professional assistance for complex issues. To contact support, call 0333 202 9802. They can guide you through the process and ensure your meter is functioning properly. Regularly check your credit balance via the app to avoid unexpected outages. Enable auto top-up features that predict usage and replenish credit automatically. Proactive monitoring prevents emergencies and ensures a continuous supply of gas and electricity. When troubleshooting additional issues with British Gas PayG top-ups, be aware of phishing scams targeting top-up portals. Always avoid clicking suspicious links to protect your account and payment information. If you face persistent issues in rural areas with poor connectivity, British Gas has partnered with Vodafone to provide dedicated IoT networks. This improves signal strength and reduces top-up failures in underserved regions. Finally, keep an eye on updates from British Gas and Ofgem. They regularly release solutions to improve PayG reliability, including app updates and network enhancements.